In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most benevolent. This is Naushab A. Khan. I'm attorney at law and I'm adjunct professor in Beacon House National University. Today's briefing is related to the regulations which is relevant to non-medical doctors. These are the regulations which were promulgated by Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, titled Regulation for the Appointment, Promotions of Faculty, Teaching Staff, Examiners, Principals, Deans, Vice Chancellors in undergraduate and postgraduate medical and dental institutions, medical universities of Pakistan. And as I said earlier, these are the regulations known as Regulations 2018. As a matter of fact, in these regulations, Pakistan Medical and Dental Council has ruined the future prospects of non-medical doctors in medical and dental colleges. If I clearly read these provisions, especially the Regulation 29, which relates to non-medical doctors, and if I precisely read that regulation, it says that non-medical faculty members, non-MBBS, non-BDS will not be appointed as faculty in any medical dental college. Non-MBBS, non-BDS faculty shall not be appointed as head of department or head of an institution. Whereas the fact is that these non-medical doctors, they had been serving since decades, and they were not only serving in private but also in public sector, and they were granted the status of assistant professor, associate professors, and so on. And in that capacity, they were serving in private medical and dental colleges as well as in public medical and dental colleges as head of departments. So this regulation has precisely closed all the doors for non-medical doctors in medical and dental colleges. Now, in this briefing, the purpose of this briefing is that what remedies, legal remedies or legal recourse is available for non-medical doctors to survive in their profession. In this regard, previously a non-medical doctor, she filed a writ petition in Lahore High Court, Lahore, vide number 130682 of 2018, which was disposed of on 13th November 2018, and the precise reason of its disposal was that the PM&DC in that writ petition, regulations 2017, which were the previous regulations, were challenged. But when it was brought to the knowledge of Honorable Court on 13th November 2018 that now the new regulations for this area, for this discipline are promulgated, and these are the regulations 2018. Observing this, the Honorable Court has disposed of the writ petition. And keeping in view that disposal, which was not on merit, now the non-medical doctors who are recently confronted with another notification of Pakistan Medical and Dental Council dated 27th June 2019, which has provided fresh cause of action to non-medical doctors. And in fact, in this notification, they have precisely banned non-medical doctors, whether they are related to biochemistry or other disciplines. They are no more allowed to be recruited as demonstrators in medical and dental colleges. Moreover, they cannot progress, which is actually this especially notification is even in derogation of these regulations, because these regulations provide that those who are already serving, if I read the relevant lines, provides that all appointments already made as per previous PM&DC regulation shall not be disturbed, and titles already accrued shall hold. But contrary to this, This is the provision provided in these regulations 2018. Contrary to this, this new notification is issued by the learned registrar of PM&DC on 27th June 2019, further undermine the future progression of those who are already serving as non-medical doctors in medical and dental colleges. In my legal opinion as a lawyer, and especially having the privilege of assisting the honorable courts pertaining to number of cases which are now reported judgments, which relates to National Examination Board regulations, which relates to MBBS, BDS admissions regulations, and which relates to different other issues pertaining to medical faculty. In my experience and in my view, what are the possibilities available, or what are the legal remedies available in these circumstances are precisely, if I look into the constitutional grounds, this is absolutely in violation of fundamental rights. Furthermore, especially the constitutional articles which enshrine equality, right to equal opportunities, and legitimate expectations are undermined, are violated through these regulations. If we look into the future progression or employment opportunities of non-medical doctors in medical and dental colleges in Pakistan. So in this context, further factual grounds which are available to challenge these regulations, and especially to challenge the notification of 27th June 2019, includes that there is a scarcity of teaching faculty in medical and dental institution. Even in the best tertiary care hospitals, there are vacancies. So if this is the scenario and this is the ground reality, then how come they can further disallow people who are already serving in non-medical subjects, and they are duly qualified, they are duly registered with PM&DC, that they should not continue because they don't have any progression opportunities if they continue serving, and that is the regulations in question which are actually undermining or which are limiting their future prospects. Secondly, this is a ground reality that there is an imposition of a moratorium due to shortage of faculty. You cannot establish new medical and dental colleges. These colleges cannot be recognized by PM&DC for the precise reason that there is a dearth of faculty, there is a shortage of faculty, there is a scarcity of faculty, and furthermore, the faculty available, they are not ready to allow them to continue and progress in their relevant fields. Now this is abundantly clear. If I recently 2019 MD-CAT in fact candidates, if you look at, there is a high demand of medical education in our country. For instance, only in the province of Punjab, approximately 76,000 candidates appeared in MD-CAT, comprising of almost competing for almost 7,500 seats. Now the question is that if there is an absolute demand of medical and dental education in the country, meaning thereby we are in need of further medical colleges, we are in need of further dental colleges to provide the health dispensation to the common man, to the masses. But on the other hand, these kind of regulations and notifications are discouraging faculty to continue in this country. And furthermore, these regulations will create unemployment and drain out talent to foreign countries for medical and dental education. So in my view, recapping what I have earlier stated, that non-medical doctors, they should in fact make collective efforts for their legitimate, lawful and legal rights. And as I said earlier, that since earlier on a writ was filed in the Lahore High Court which was not decided on merits at all, and furthermore these regulations 2018 were not under challenge. This is why that writ got infructuous and disposed of. So in those circumstances, now they have a right to challenge 2018 regulations and especially the notification of June 2019, which has in fact further undermined the progression of non-medical doctors and close the door for them to aspire to become a faculty in medical and dental colleges in the country. I will be giving my contact number and email address. So if you have further queries, please drop your query or drop a message enabling me to assist you further. And I opted to record this briefing for the reasons that this message should spread to as many as possible, enabling them to seek recourse for their legitimate, lawful and legal rights. Thank you very much. My contact number is 0321 8690 229 and my email address is noshabaliKhan@gmail.com, NOSHABALIKHAN @gmail.com. Thank you.